I'm making it a point to stop at parks along the way during this trip. Parks are really an important part of any city, and just as important as restaurants or attractions, it's nice to know that you can go to a place and have a picnic and relax. And I think that's a cool thing to do when you're on vacation or during an adventure. Zilker Park offers shelter from the rain. So I've been told that Texas actually was a place where the Aztecs migrated, and they've definitely been here. That was my rock climbing endeavor for the day.